So today's draw is pretty simple. Prior 9 o'clock, I was looking at this particular equal high. So you see, I've marked out this buy side liquidity. I was expecting it to get swept, and yeah, that's exactly what they've done, right? Now we have a couple of equal lows below this area. So we have what an equal low here, we have some equal lows here, and more equal lows going higher. You can see how this structure has been one-sided. So I believe it's high time they retrace back into the range. Are you getting me? So that's what I'm looking at. So my initial expectation, I was expecting them to hold price in this consolidation. Then let's say 9:30 opens, we manipulate and sweep this buy side liquidity. Then we can take our trade lower, targeting these areas. Because if price gets to this area today, that ends my day. Whether or not I'm going to get a trade to that point, it still ends my day, still concludes my day. It makes me satisfied, right? So right now we can look at 9:30 still manipulating a little bit higher. Then we can hope for that, because yeah, they could just continue the move straight forward to my target for the day. So that's what I'm looking at. 9:30 will determine my fate, whether I'm going to trade or not. But all in all, this is my target for the day. I'm expecting price to get to this area before the day ends. And from there, I mean, they could move higher, they could go lower, and that's none of my business, because my expectations have been met, right? So that's what I'm looking at. And as I said, I'll be doing this more often. So, which name didn't I mention the last time? Israel, how are you doing? What are you expecting for today?
I'm fine by God's grace. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
I'm expecting a sell. Per
All
what you
right.
said, after it has swept the buy side liquidity, we should be expecting it to come and touch the recent low it's created, go back up.
That's solid. Eddie, now what are you looking at?
Yeah, I'm here. I'm actually looking for buys.
Oh, okay. That's solid. Fine.
Yeah.
So I don't need anybody here to agree with me, because I can be wrong. Are you getting me? Tell me what you see. Are you getting me? Because you could be right. It's all about sentiment. We can only buy and sell, right? What about you?
Yeah, bro, nothing different. Sales, I think the sales will be good.
It shouldn't be because I'm looking at buys. I'm looking at sales. I get, we have 9:30 candlesticks, so let's focus on them. So yeah, as I said, I would like a manipulation back into the range. I'll be very happy if that happens, and that's what's happening. So let's see how it goes from here. Okay, so if they really want to go lower, I'm expecting a sweep of 9:30 highs, then we come lower. But if they want to continue higher, they're going to run that. Okay, this is enough for me. I'll be looking for my sales soon. So I'm taking sales from here. My stop loss is above the high, and my target this particular low here. So this is what I'm looking at for today. Now if they do above 50 handles, I'm going to roll my stops. So they've done 27 so far. Hopefully they continue lower. So you can see how we are having a sweep of 9:30 highs. A very, very nice sweep there. So they should be continuing lower according to my plan. That's not looking good if they really want to continue lower. I want to see rejections around this week. I want to see them roll over and exceed this with a lot of momentum to actually confirm that we want to hit my target for the day. And let me measure my target, sorry, in terms of handles. Okay, that's around 50. That's okay. That's very okay. So immediately they breach this low with a body, I'm going to roll my stops to break even, just to be safe. Perfect. So my stops are break even now. So I have no risk on this trade. Okay, let me just leave it here. But just know that my stops are break even. So you should set your break evens now. And let's watch it run to TP. Very, very close to TP. A few handles more, and it's a banger. Thank you. One more push and you're done for the day. One more push lower. And boom. That ends my day. So yeah, that's take profits. This concludes my trading for the day. Does anybody have any questions? If you have any questions, you can unmute your mic and ask me. And if you were here late, they did exactly as I said. So, I mean, I was expecting them to hold price initially before they sweep on 9:30. But when I realized they had distributed deeper into the range, I was expecting 9:30 to manipulate higher, then we would get a distribution lower, and that's exactly what they did. So yeah, today is a very W day. I'll see you guys later.